going to a market, and it's 8 a.m. and we could not sleep. Okay, it's like 50 cents for one. Crazy. Look at the
crisp on the
little
bottom.
crust.
Mmm.
Good.
Mmm.
Is it the best?
Mmm. The bottom is really crispy.
Mmm. Wow. For 50 cents? Delectable.
That one, number one. Okay.
Nom nom nom. Okay.
You
Wanna
first?
try it? Yeah.
Wow, I'm always first.
I know, you're so privileged. Oh yeah, big bite. Get in there, girl.
Mmm.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
The mayo looked so good. Maybe I should wait a little. This is why you're first.
It's not hot?
The mayo is so good. No, it's not that hot.
Okay, just me then.
Mm-hmm.
欢迎回台湾，欢迎回台湾。
谢谢谢谢，国人的，所以我才知道啊。那时候被罚了5000。
是。
Is it a chile?
一个厕所出发。
But we have a banquet dinner with many courses, but I don't know. I don't know how we're gonna eat it.
I can't help the feeling I keep falling every time. It could be so easy feeling.
Is this real?
Listen to you and so hard to find. So if you wanna be with me, let you know that I don't.
This table is gigantic. For this one. It's gonna be the best.
Every time I see you,
Well, good thing there's no kitchen glass.
I can't help the feeling I keep falling every time.
Go.
Keep falling
cherry blossoms. I don't know what this is, but it looks good. I don't know what this is, but I hope it's real gold. There's bread. A little rice cooker and a little Yakult.
Is that a fried chicken?
I think so. Oh, little XLBs.
They're cute. It says what they have.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they have.
They have taro balls.
They have a pack.
My fave.
You can just buy a pack and give them separately.
Oh yeah. Get the little frying pan. Oh my god. I want this one. What do you think?
What's your favorite?
It is. Even though we haven't had it yet. Oh my god, they have wheel cakes.
This is the reservoir is over there. This is Daxi, and they will.
I feel like I'm wasting water. Pump harder. Super long line, so it has to be good.
The dougan is really good.
我跟你讲要现吃了，这个吧。
Okay. No 冷气。
没人气。
啊，开心吗？不要12碗可以啊。
我不知道多少钱。
那你给他，跟着阿姨给多少？他知道。
闽南、福建province is south.
This is their architecture?
Yeah, that's the architecture of the China Fujian province south.
Do they try to make it look European?
No.
It looks kind of European.
Maybe influence from European.
It's so hot.
冰淇淋这里可以挑，有芋头，
芋头的
杯装的，
芋头，
三球的芋头哈。
哎。
I guess it doesn't look like much.
永和有一家很有名的，就在我们家那边那个，在去买过几次。
Crunchy.
那个张文孙，
I didn't get the cilantro. I probably would, but I'm so full. Oh. Let's try the sesame.
真哦。你在冲啥？
We haven't slept at all, but it's godong time. We slept for like 2 hours. 2 hours in the past 24 hours, and we have to work in like 4 hours. Kind of tastes like dough. The fruit is really good. Juicy.
It's been so long, you've been so tough, you kept it up, you've kept me up, been standing tall, keeping strong, and I'm doing well, I'm eating more, and though you might think that you're
like eating cotton.
It's kind of bad, but kind of good.
It's like I'm eating paper with Hongo inside. No coffee smoothie.
Coffee ice cube. Vienna ice cube. Wow. I want the salted egg yolk one.
Well, we'll get whatever you want.
The hog in here is so fancy. Look at that. Crazy. Really? 来好好吃哦。
这是真的吗？
That's BTS. Oh my god, that one's the most empty house. Talk about it and then you never ate it. Like they look so real. They have 550s everywhere here, and now I want a pair. What do you think? Beige or the blue and yellows?
I like half the price of these.
Sweet potato bread. It looks like a sweet potato. Good or bad? They're like kind of good, but kind of bad too.
Told me to tell you it's bad.
I'm shopping for 3 hours, and we have barely been through any of the stores. There's too much to see.
Slept like 3 hours.
And everything is so cute, and we don't have enough room in our luggage to bring stuff home.
And we only slept 3 hours.
Let me know if you see it. Oh, that one looks pretty good. We found it, we found it. We found it.
You want it now?
Yeah, let's get it. I've been looking for this for ages. I finally get it. Finally found it after searching for ages. It has pickled egg yolk inside. It's really good. I didn't even get to the egg part. I love taro. It's so fresh. The roast almond is really good. Kind of sweet and salty.
All you want, so I got